like everything just feels so good. It feels new. I'm a little scared.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man?
Oh my God, y'all, I cannot believe I'm back. Welcome back. I'm back. Yes, I'm back, y'all. I just want to tell y'all, Thanksgiving was 3 days ago, and when I tell y'all, I am so freaking grateful of my life. Last night, I was just looking on Instagram and just looking back on life. Yeah, I know 3 years ago, December the 5th, 2021, I was suicidal. And y'all, I just wanted to kill myself. I wanted to give up. I just was going through so much. My mom passed away. My cousin ended up getting killed, which is my favorite boy cousin. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I got close to God, and me and God, we been like best friends. Lord, I'm so thankful. I am thankful for my life. My life been great. My life is good. I have a good life. Still stay at home mom. Zoe and Zai got big. My husband's still on the road. Nah, y'all, I got a senior. A senior? Do you hear me? A senior, y'all. It's a lot. Troy, he's going to the 9th grade. It's a lot. Y'all, Munchie Baby, they got big. Hey, Munchie Baby. Oh, okay, you hungry. Hold on. Say the vlog. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Tell me your name. Zaya. That is Zanaya. That is the last baby right there. She is 4 years old. Time is flying. So yeah, it's just so much. Like it's just so much. We've been doing so much. We've been going so many places. We've still been traveling. I still in my tacos, y'all. I just been getting around. And again, I just want to say I'm thankful. And what's so crazy because 2021, when I did get off Instagram, y'all, I was so sad because I was feeling like nobody on Instagram came and checked on me or whatever. But it's just like, honestly, Instagram is fucking mean. Like they really mean. So I just wanted to come back to this calm era because right now, y'all, I swear I am in a calm era of my life, and I love that for me. Like I really, really love that for me. I just really been enjoying freaking life, doing everything that I want to do, checking off my goals, doing all the good stuff, doing everything that makes me happy. Been saving. I don't even know if y'all know. I started a vending machine business. But I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off right now, but I will be back, and baby, I gotta show y'all this stage. So now y'all about to go to Zanaya's friend's birthday party. And I don't know if I told y'all, but Elf on the Shelf is back. She made her grand entrance this morning in the cereal box. So yeah.
Yeah, if you open that. Yeah,
I didn't open
that.
Like y'all.
Maybe she opened it on his tail.
Let's go.
So,
Yo, when I tell y'all they excited for the vlog. They've been saying they want to vlog. And Zoe Simone, say hi, Zoe.
hi.
That's Zoe right there, you guys. She have grown up. She is, how old are you?
And me 5.
She's 5.
And me 20.
She's 5. So yeah, we're gonna go get their friend a birthday present, and then we're gonna go to the party.
I'm a baby, yeah. I'm a tiny.
We know you the baby. Get in. So we're back from the birthday party, and it's going crazy. We got Chinese foods for the takeout. No, you cannot.
I'll get horses first.
Y'all ready?
Why you sit like that?
You don't carry.
God is grace, God is good. Let him thank us for our food. God hears and we're fear. We thank our Lord for our daily bread. And our holy name we pray. Amen.
The Proud Family. What? You and me will always be tied.
everything you do. I know that I can always be myself around you more than anybody else. And every day as I'm heading after school, you know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family.
Okay, where your name go? Zanaya.
Take my jacket off.
If you want to. Alright. You gonna try it? Take it. Alright, let's go on in there. Let me get it.
Is this scary?
I'm not scared. This is not slide. It's just like this. Hey, have a good day, okay? All the kids is at school now. Like I told you, I'm getting my life together. I've been in and out of the gym, so I'm headed to the gym this morning, and that's what we doing. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe, baby, because you will love it here, okay? I'm about to work out. I told y'all I've been working out. I've been doing so good with this fitness journey for the past 2 months, and I am so proud of myself. Y'all, if y'all know, it is so hard for me to gain weight. It's easy to maintain it, but I cannot gain. So I am officially 126 when I weighed in Saturday. So my goal is 140. So that's what I'm trying to get to. Let me go in here and work out. Woo! Hey, 127 is crazy. Who do I think I am? 127? Girl. That's a wrap. Workout was 10 out of 10. Excellent. Okay, so I just made it home, y'all. That workout was so freaking good. I am so excited to be back working out. And when I tell y'all, I done picked up some weight. Like 127, it just looked good. And I just want to let y'all know, for the people that got a little weight on them, y'all didn't even tell me, like, it feels a little heavy. It's heavy. Let me show y'all. So, it looked good. 127, y'all. I want to be 140. And I only seen 140 when I was pregnant with the girls. And I want to be 140, but what y'all think? It looked good. Yeah. It's the side. That's that little dump truck. It's love, but it look good though. Ooh, it look good. My back look good. Everything look good. Everything is coming together. But yeah, so y'all, I just love this new weight for me. Y'all, when I tell y'all, life been great. I just keep on saying it over and over because life been great, and I just said I want to start back recording. So that's what I'm doing, picking this camera up and recording. So yeah, baby, I ain't have to do nothing right now. I'm about to eat my food. I know we had takeout last night, and we had some left, so I'm gonna eat that, and then I'm gonna do my devotion. I didn't do my devotion this morning. I took my husband to the airport, so I took him to the airport and got the kids ready for school. Then went to work out, and now I'm back home. Oh, did you have so much fun at school?
Yes, girlfriend.
What?
Yes, girlfriend.
Say hi.
Huh?
Say hi.
Is it okay?
Look at me.
What is it?
I didn't say anything.
I see a good chocolate.
Oh my goodness. All right, we gotta get in.
Let's go now.
We going home.
Well, why?
Because we need to go take a nap.
You want to take a nap.
Everybody gotta take a nap. You know
Why,
that.
Mama?
You tell me why you gotta take a nap.
It's so dark time.
No, why you gotta take a nap? Why we take naps?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
I want to take a nap.
It's to get our beauty rest. You know that.
Take a nap.
You taking a nap. Story of my life.
Mama.
The bus
Mama.
didn't stop at the house.
I'm going to us friends have to wake up.
Sure, if y'all friends at home, sure.
It's hot.
Well,
Like the sisters.
why everybody want cereals? What baby? No more cereal.
Did I go cereal?
Don't get stuff in him. Don't get stuff in him. Don't hit him. Put it up. Yeah, and that's it. That's me out there. I gotta do some work.
Dr. Smiley, how y'all doing?
David, it has to go through. I want to go get home.
Don't go home. This was unexpected. Troy hurt himself, so we in the emergency room.
We had a doctor.
That's called the emergency room.
Yeah, but then we had a doctor.
All right, we're at the doctor then.
And in the emergency room,
Girl, I just said it was
No,
the
you
emergency
didn't.
room.
girl, you said mama, mama, mama.
I said none of that.
You said mama, mama.
So Troy tore his muscle off his hip. This is his third time doing it. He did it at the beginning of this year, February, then he did it in May before school got out. And now here we are, December, and he did it again. So last two times, y'all, I panicked and I was going crazy and I cried and I blamed myself and I was trying to figure out why is this happening to me. So now it's just one of those situations. I know how to deal with it, and I'm not gonna panic, and I'm not gonna cry about it. I'm just gonna pray about it. But yeah, I'll go into better details another day. Now what's going on?
Angel. I did saw she up there.
I ain't even know she was up there. What's she saying?
Girl, I don't know, man. She got white.
She got what?
She got towels.
Go tell Troy, come here.
Troy! Well, how he get there? What happened to towels up there? I don't know. I just said that.
Zoe said she had paper towels too.
It's a note there. What do you want to get?
Tell Troy, come read it.
Mama. Troy. What else has a pretty
I have no idea. I'm over here reading my devotion. I have no idea.
It's a note there.
Why she got a paper towels and tissue?
Yeah, tissue.
Hi, Zoe and Zanaya. Sorry for not coming here today. I had to get some shots.
Stop.
I've been crying all day today. I'm a little sad. Sorry for using all the tissue. I can't believe y'all was crying all day. Tell Troy I said he hope he feel better. Love, Angel. What?
What? Hey, Johnny, what you booty?
Angel was getting shots to use all the tissue, man.
Oh, I don't know why you got tissue. They want to wipe all blood off.
Man, I was hurt?
I don't know.
Was it the hospital that we was at?
Maybe.
Goodness.
Goodness. Oh my God.
Okay, Zoe.
Huh?
This is called a crunchy taco, okay? Let me know how it tastes.
Okay.
Yeah, we always eat tacos on Tuesday. Much baby don't eat tacos.
Sorry, Mama did that. I need to get something quick. Still have to. The iPad.
What happened?
There we go. Use the iPad. Shut it up and watch you.
This-
Again.
It's good.
Mama. Turn it.
Look.
Let me do this.
She just said she was going to get the iPad.
I need hope I do this here.
She gonna help you. I got good junk food.
I'm gonna do this here first. What's a princess? I like this one. I'm Mama, look out. Look! Hey, how she say?
It says, hi, Zoe Zai. I hope I didn't get y'all in trouble about the tissue. I just want to say I'm going to tell Sam y'all did a great job helping Troy. P.S. Tell Mom to clean up. Love, Angel.
Bruh, she can clean up.
Girl, who is she talking to?
I don't know, maybe it. P.S. Oh, me mom, right?
What's up, guys? So I'm headed to the gym. We're about to work out. Today is back day. For some reason, back day has really been starting to be my favorite day. For some reason. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah. And we're working out today. I'm so excited. Let me go stretch. I said, you always cry when you was a baby. You was actually a cry baby.
Yes, I said, you give me food, you feed me, then I cry. Maybe that's true, Angela.
Why do you try to see who stuff is here?
I don't know, just do
Take your jacket off.
That's not cool to
This
hear.
girl is funny.
Huh?
You funny.
Ow, you broke my knee.
Sorry.
Have a good day, girlfriend.
Have a good day, girlfriend. That's the girls. That is so sweet. They love Zanaya. Zanaya is loved. Okay, guys. So, just dropped Munchie Baby off at school. And now we're about to go stock our vending machines. I'm not sure if I'm going to do all 3, but I do know I will do 2. Might do the bubble gum also. Let's go. So I'm finally in the bed. I finished organizing my stash, y'all. I'm a little upset. And that's one reason why I was really procrastinating to organize it, because I knew I had to throw a lot of stuff away. And I just need to re-up. Right now, I'm not in the progress of spending any money, because it's one of those things I really don't need it. I just really enjoy them. So it's no reason to just go spend some money on stuff that I really don't need, you know. It's just more of a want. I do want it. I ain't gonna lie, I want it. I want some, but it's just like, nah, I didn't even skipped on the candles this year. My mind and focus is like elsewhere. It's not trying to keep up with anybody or outdo anybody. I'm trying to outdo me from yesterday. And that's just the type of time I've been on. I've been really focusing on me. I've been reading, I've been setting goals, I've been working out, I've been eating. And I think me just really eating is my whole thing in me gaining weight, because sometimes it'd be hard for me to eat. Sometimes I just eat like once a day. Come on, you know you gotta eat. But I just be running. So now, like I said, I'm in this era now. I'm just gonna be taking my time. Whatever it's gonna be for me, it's gonna be for me. Whatever's gonna pass me by, it's just gonna pass me by. And whatever is meant for me, it's gonna be for me. And if it's from God, He's gonna give me clarity. But with that being said, y'all, I just want to say thank y'all for watching this vlog. Thank y'all for supporting me. Thank y'all for coming back to the channel. I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited. It just feel new, you know? I don't know. Everything just feels like just the right time. So yeah, so with that being said, I don't know if I want to say bye or sun mob. We out.
Because I'm back.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. welcome back.
Oh, yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that.
Welcome back.
I know you like that.